Good evening, traders. I am the stock analyzer from InvestorsHub.com as well as the StockHideout.com. Tonight we're going to break down ACLH, which is currently trading at 0.0415. This stock did close up 15% for the day, and what I'm noticing right now is that we are in a symmetrical triangle pattern, which means that we are making lower highs, but for the most part higher lows, and we are nearing the apex of this triangle right about here. As the bottom trend line and top trend line start to pinch together, what you will notice is that we typically have a breakout, usually to the upside, only because we have higher lows. And basically when we have higher lows on a stock, that means that shareholders are not allowing the stock to dip down to the previous low. They're buying it quicker. They're thinking it's not going to go down all the way to the previous level of support. So typically that's what gives it its strength in a symmetrical triangle. In a descending triangle, it's a different story. Symmetrical triangle, where we have higher lows, is typically to the upside. Now, we never know for sure. We'll have to find out tomorrow. But what I'm looking for is the first key, in my opinion, is a break of 0.047. I think if we can break 0.047 here, which is basically where the top trend line is, we could test 0.05 to 0.06 range. So there's still, in my opinion, some room for this stock to run. If it breaks that 0.05, I think that'll be some signal, a signal of some strength, and at that point we could test the 6-cent range or possibly the 7-cent range. Now, if we go below 0.03, that would be the first time that we are making that we're breaking the bottom trend line in about a month. So we really want to hold over the 3-cent range. If for some reason it goes lower than that, we have pretty decent support at the 0.025 area, as well as the 0.016, which is the 50 moving average line. So to wrap up here, we have support on ACLH at 0.03, 0.025, and 0.016. Our key breaking point is 0.047, which is right around the top trend line, followed by 0.05 and 0.061. Looking at the MAC histogram here in the bottom, you can see that for a little while here the bars were getting bigger. That's a bad sign. Now today, the histogram bar in the blue here upticked. It's getting shorter than the previous bar. That is a good sign, and that's why I have ACLH on my radar for tomorrow. If you have any questions about this video chart, you can come check us out at InvestorsHub.com or thestockhideout.com. I do not have any shares of ACLH. I was not compensated for this video. I'm not a registered or licensed broker, so please make sure you use your own buy and sell signals. And as always, good luck and happy trading.